Greetings, adventurers. This is Chris, aka Nas, back with new adventures in Skyrim. We are going to be joining Octarin and the wolves. Well, maybe not all the wolves so much today, but we'll get into that in a minute. They are continuing their journey east to clear out a cave, as is their mission. Slow and methodical when needs to be, and quick and dangerous when needs to be. Without much more to say, or all that out of the way, we're going to hop in character. Before I do, take care of yourself. Take care of the ones you love. Hope everything's going well with you, and we'll see you at the end. Well, we turn the troops too, and we are going to go reconning. By we, I mean Ilia and I. We'll talk more about that later. We're going to give the scouting guys, Hunter and Kosnak, and them the night off. Have them go have a little fun. I know Erik's happy to be home. And,
yes?
Oh, I'm just going to go find Ilia. I know that she was down there. Is that her? No. Oh, it's Borgnar. I got a surprise for her. Bell ran. Nothing. I'm gonna go find Ilia wherever she is. Rorikstead? Hello? Nothing. Carry on. Here she is. Ah, by Erik. Hey, Erik, how are you doing? Enjoying the weather, yeah? Happy to be home?
Just feels right somehow. Having this new life as an adventurer. It's what I was meant to do.
Yes, sir. And here's some extra septums. Spread it out tonight when everyone's relaxing, alright? You get to. We're going out now. Put that down and let's go. Alright, Marcurio, you got this? Alright, good. Yeah, haha, we're just going out on patrol. So, talk a little more when we're a little more out of earshot. But, everyone knows what's going on between Illia and I for the most part. But we go by the philosophy nothing is a problem until it becomes a problem. And we don't show favoritism. She gets, locked on just when she needs to. And more importantly, I trust my people to tell me if they thought there was a problem or if they knew there was a problem. Let's go get out of this. I'm excited. I'm not going to run out yet. Wait till we hit the gates, close them behind us, and head out. Yeah, this is going to be a very fun night, I think. It's been a while since her and I have gotten out, especially since the injury. Been apart for so long. Alright, sweetie, we can close this gate. I get it. Alrighty. Let's head out. I got a spot picked out for us just to warm up and, regroup. Yeah. We're not going to, sorry, I gotta keep an eye on him. Remember, this is not a romantic date. Nope. I guess that was nothing. Well, anyway, let's stay focused here. I'll worry about flirting with your pretty face when we get there, okay? Uh-oh. Oh, wow. What's going on here? Alright. Well, glad they're well enough. Didn't need my help. What is that off in the distance? What are those? Bunch of horses? A nice little scene here. Family of horses. Are we gonna have our little troop run around like that? Alright. I almost gotta wait. Hold my tongue until I get where we're going. if I'm not mistaken, right past these and up ahead is our break spot. Maybe I'll do a quick once-over, go over your gear. I know. Here we go. Let's get ready. I'm not sure what could be here. It's been a long time since I even heard of this place. Looks like just mud crabs. Alright. Oh. Alright, sweetie. Let's clear this place out for some reason. Well, you cooked them, we can eat. Wow. Eat well tonight. Come back in here. Let's take a moment with this fire going and everything. Before we take a little break, I've been thinking a lot about home. It's so empty, and I actually want to... It's hard looking at you with that spell on your face, but I want you to come live with me. I want to get married to you. Let's do this before tomorrow. What do you think? All right. Well, you can get a fire going in a minute. I'll go get some wood. We'll spend some time here and recon by the fire, out of the rain. All right. Refreshed, ready to go. We don't have much time. That took a lot longer than we thought, right? I mean, to dry off our clothes. And here we are all wet again. We may have to go warm up again on the way back, Illee. Come on. We're just going to head up a little more up the road. There's not much along the way. That occasional lightning flash helps. But we're just making sure the road's for the most part clear, but there shouldn't be much of anything going on really from here, as you can see. What is that up ahead? Horse again? I'm not even gonna attempt to figure that out. Uh-oh. Something up ahead. Uh-oh. Gosh. Oh. I love that I can just see where she's been. You won't be needing that anymore. Alright. More of that. Warm up another moment, let's go. Alright, we'll see what's up around maybe the curve here. And we're going to have to start heading back. Alright. Yeah, let's take a couple more minutes and see. Head back in a second. There's not going to be much more to see. This is all just an excuse. You know that. Yep. I want another flash of lightning. That was like an ambush. Oops. Alright, let's go see what's going on here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We may have backed the wrong side on this. Alright, Ilia, let's get going. Should be fine. She'll use her teleporting spell. In fact, no, I can't use that right now, because it will pull everybody. Probably glitch out the game. We apparently have found a good reason to get them out here. When she gets here. Alright, Ilia, use your spell. I need you to use your command spell. We're going to call them up. We're going to be retreating until they get here. Alright, guys. You saw it. We ready, wolves? Alright. This rain may actually help us a little. Let's go. I'm gonna flank. You all go. Alright. Well, alright, wolves, we did well. We were not expecting to have you all come out. Whew. Are we all accounted for? Are we all good, Erik?
What can I do for you, friend?
Are we good?
Lead on.
Alright. Excuse me. Hey, give me a moment? Yeah. How about that? Alright, my wolves. We're going to take a moment, clear this nonsense up, and I think we're going to head back to Rorikstead. We all just fought ourselves into a celebration. We're going to have fun tonight. Are we ready, wolves? Alright. Let's grab our stuff and head out.
Huh?
Well, with that said, I was not expecting that. I hope you all had fun with us. Oh, hey, sweetie. Not here, not here. We are going to loot, get our spoils of war, and head back. I hope you all had fun with us. It was quite the interesting adventure. I didn't have much. I had this planned, and that was about it. We will see you on the next adventure. I hope you had fun with us. Take care of yourself, take care of the ones you love, and we'll see you then.